Mano pumbanga tamma mano setta mano maya manasache paduttena basati va karoti va tato nang dukkha veti cakkang mahato padang. Virtuous devotees, on this special occasion, you are hoping to listening valuable part of doctrine which was preached by our omniscient Buddha. Today I selected topic for you, the importance of mind associating Dhammapada stanza of Yamaka Vagga. Manopubbangama Dhamma Manosetta Manomaya. Mind is chief, mind made are they. Manasache paduttena basativa karotiva tato nandukhamanveti chakkang vahato pada. If anyone speaks or acts with wicked mind, that evil follow him cart of the wheel of ox. Virtuous devotees, when we consider our all organs, what is the live organs? The live organ is our mind. Because, as example, we feel to hit or scold someone. We done such activities using our legs, hands or mouth. But who bring message to do that such activity? Our mind bring message to our organs. If mind doesn't bring message, the organs can't do that. Now we can understand how mind become chief. So Buddha has preached his disciples to control our mind according to us, because the feature of mind is it occurs according to its wishing. But if we can control that, it is better for our life. And also, the mind is very important thing. When we consider our mind, there are wholesome thoughts and unwholesome thoughts creating in our mind always. If unwholesome thoughts creating in our mind, what happen? Our deed also become impure. But if there are wholesome thoughts creating in our mind become pure. We can understand that with our own experience. As example, if we are in shock mode or angry mode, what happen? Our mind become impure. Not only our mind, our deed also become impure. Sometimes we don't know what we are doing, no? After our angry season, we feel so sorry about ourselves, no? Therefore, we should keep our mind pure. And also, when there are wholesome thoughts, our deed also pure. Now, you want to listening valuable part of doctrine of the Buddha. You can do that due to wholesome thoughts, no? We can engage in all meritorious action or deeds if our mind is become pure. And also, devotees, we should understand the importance of mind. The mind can completely change good person into bad person and bad person into good person, because it has very big power. If we are in good person, we can provide our service for the welfare of society and country. But we are in bad mood, we can harm to our whole society and people. As example, we know we had faced big trouble due to terrorism, no? Not only 1 month or 1 year, no? For 30 years. What is the reason? The reason was Velupille Prabhakaran. What is the situation of Prabhakaran? Is he full or intelligent? He is intelligent person. He has power, knowledge and good mind, but his thoughts are very impure. So he used his power mind to harm people, no? Destroy people, destroy heritages, destroy religious places. But his technical system is very power, no? Then we can understand he is very intelligent person, but he use his mind to engage in bad activities. And also, if we think the importance of mind, according to our current society, we use computer and the telephone. Using computer and telephone, we done so many activities, not only one. As using telephone, we not take only calls, no? We go to Facebook, we go to YouTube and so many things, no? And computer, normally we say the computer is faster than human thoughts, no? When we think about something, if we give it to computer, the computer solved that, no? Before us. But devotees, who created this computer? The human beings. No? The human mind had created this computer and telephone. Then you can understand the importance of mind and power of the mind. But unfortunately, we don't know the power of mind, and we don't try to use our power mind, intelligent mind, to service people or society, or to get usages. That's the big problem. So we should use our power mind to do good things and create good implements. Then it will be very usage to ourselves and whole society. So I think with those facts you can understand the importance of mind. If we don't get usage of this mind, and if we use that mind to do bad deeds or bad activities, we will ripen bad result, no? Like the cart of wheel of oxen. So we should determine to use our mind to engage in meritorious deeds, knowing its power. Then we can become respectable and popular person in the society. So it is proper time to conclude my Dhamma sermon. May the Triple Gem bless you.